Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a yearly prediction for 2022. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies we see for you in three main buckets. The first one being your career or business. The second one is your health. And the third one is your family or love life. So let's quickly begin and see what the cards have in store for you. The first card that I see for you, which is for your career or business, is Four of Wands. For your health, the card is Nine of Pentacles. And for your family or love life, your card is King of Swords. Now, Four of Wands is the card which is the marriage commitment card. Now, when this card comes in your career or business, it means commitment towards your career or business. So, something that you'll get committed to, either in your career, you'll be looking for a promotion and you'll work really hard towards that, or in your business, you could be aspiring for something and you'll put in that effort because this is a very positive card. It shows, stability and it shows progress. Now for the second bucket, which is your Nine of Pentacles, this card shows that you're doing quite well for yourself. As a single independent energy, this shows that you will have a really good health and you will enjoy life. You will not face any issues during this particular year. The third bucket for you is your personal life or your love life. Okay, so here we see King of Swords. This means that there's something that you need to discuss. There could be some conversation which is required for you to have a better personal or a family life. So just patiently go ahead and have that conversation with either your partner or with your family members. Now let's quickly take clarifying cards for all these three buckets. So for the first one, which is your career or business, the clarifying card is Nine of Wands and Four of Swords. Nine of Wands means that you will get defensive a little bit with regards to your career or business, and you will also go ahead and protect something. Okay, with Four of Swords, it means that you will also understand that there are times when you have to step back, relax, recharge your energies, and then go back in and put in your 100%. Now let's see what are the clarifying cards for your second bucket, which is your health. So for Nine of Pentacles, the clarifying card is Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. Now with these two cards, it means that you'll be very much focused. Okay, both these queens indicate that you're very much focused. You know that health is important and you will take out that time to go ahead and work on your health. Okay, so if you were facing some issues or if you wanted to join the gym or any of those physical exercises that you wanted to go ahead and start, you will go ahead and pay attention to that also in this particular year. Now let's go ahead and see what's there for the third bucket, which is your family, personal life or love life. So for King of Swords, your first clarifying card is the Strength card, which is Leo energy, and we have Five of Swords. Now this means that, like I said, there is some kind of conversation which is required, and for that you need to put in a lot of courage and bravery when you want to have that conversation. With Five of Swords, it means that you're willing to fight to have that conversation. So it could be something that you have been prolonging for some time, but now you understand that you will fight to go ahead and have that clarity, and you will ensure that that conversation happens. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the message that we have from Moonology Oracle Decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. This means that throughout 2022, you need to come out of your comfort zone. If you are staying in your comfort zone, come out, take risk, and that's when things will work for you. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that will help you is Morganite. The crystal message being, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe that the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all the love that is in everything. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can go ahead and read it out from there. Now with this, let's quickly go ahead and see what are the messages we have for you month-wise. So for the month of Jan, your card is King of Cups, which means that you will feel emotions for something, but you will not go ahead and express it. For Feb, you have Three of Pentacles, which means there will be some disruption, some interference from a third person. For March, you have Page of Swords. It means with a very immature energy, you would want to have a conversation about something. For April, you have Two of Pentacles, which means you will go ahead and juggle with two situations. For May, you have the Hanged Man. This means you will be stuck in a situation, you will be hanging there. For June, you have Ten of Wands. This means you will feel the burden of something. It could be in your personal life, it could be in your professional life as well. For July, you have Five of Wands, which means competition, fighting. There could be something which will cause a little bit of disruption for you. For August, you have Eight of Cups, which means you will walk away from some situation. For September, you have the Wheel of Fortune. This means that you're waiting for time, karma, for things to change positively in your direction. For October, you have the Judgment card. This means you'll take a judgment call on something. For November, you have the Queen of Swords. It means that you want to have a very brutal, honest conversation with somebody, and you'll end the year 2022 with Hierophant, which is positive energy. It shows commitment, marriage. So for some of you, if you're not married already, you will go ahead and end the year with commitment and marriage. Now this is all that I see for you for this particular year. If you like the content of this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.